So this is held in place by this little clip here, and I just used a screwdriver to pry it off. And here's the old fan, and the hole in there is worn out, so it just got real wobbly and would make lots of noise. So my plan is to use a deep dish socket and put the new clip on here and use a piece of tape to hold the clip in place so I don't drop it inside the furnace. So now I have the tape on there, and I cut a little hole, so it should be able to just press right on now without losing it. So that worked pretty good. I just gotta get the tape off of there. That's nice and tight now. Should be real quiet. Real easy fix.